We gotta find some matches, man. Come on. What's going on, bro? Nice to meet you, man. What's your name?
First, I'm Black the Jeweler. I go by Ice by Black. I'm pretty much a business owner. I got a couple different jewelry stores, and I got my own water as well.
You own your own water?
Yeah.
So this is your water?
Yeah, partnership with Trap Tool.
Okay.
It's alkaline water, 9.5.
He got his own water. That's dope. Y'all go mess with him.
Hold on, y'all. My bad. We got a little. What's the name now? They better be careful about popping the balloon on this brother.
Boy's water. You know what I'm saying? So.
Well, like, he just got after. Like he beat me.
Short syndrome.
So, but that's phenomenal, man. He got a lot of stuff going on for himself. He got his own water. Dang, that's what's up, man. That's something that you don't hear every day. That's phenomenal. The fact that he's doing stuff like that.
Ladies, based off appearance, you know, what do y'all think? Y'all pop? Okay. I with the water business. The water business, that's hard. That's hard. And you said you're a jeweler too?
Yeah, I set my own diamonds. So like I'm a handset jeweler. I get my own diamonds. I set it myself.
Okay.
No gold, everything. From grills, pendants, watches. Everything.
Watches, everything?
Everything.
Okay. So if I could buy something like this.
I got you. I'll take care of you. I got you.
All right, so why did you pop?
He just too short for me.
Yeah, I know. I ain't mad at it. I appreciate it though.
It's the same reason. I'm a little.
Yeah.
You're a businessman. You understand.
You got heels on?
Same. And the hair. You should have your hair. Gotta braid it up or something. It's
You not
pretty
do
though.
hair?
You got pretty hair.
You not do
though.
hair?
I don't.
Oh shit. I need somebody. I got you.
Okay. So why'd you keep your balloon?
I just want to see more.
Respectful guy, man. Honestly, a respectful guy. You can't really judge a book by its cover. Now, I will say, if you're gonna come on a dating show, you know, definitely do something different with this, especially, you know, the hair situation. If you're going out there to make a first impression, I don't know if it's normally braid. Of course, not locks. But I don't know if it's normally braids or what he normally does with his hair. He should have waited to take that thing out. No, probably should have got that thing done fresh. But he ain't missing out on nothing. He ain't missing out on absolutely nothing. Maybe I can't remember what her interaction has been like with guys. I don't think it's really been anything too bad. Yeah. So
He seems cool.
Appreciate it.
You're handsome and you have beautiful hair.
Thank you.
Yeah, we just got to braid it for you.
Believe me, I know.
I don't know about the height. You got kids?
I have one daughter.
How old is your daughter?
3.
Okay.
Go ahead.
We getting old in age,
Hey
man.
man, 28. It is what it is.
You be the baby mama drama still.
I
Like,
understand it, yeah.
if your kids ain't like over 7, 10.
So you have kids yourself? Okay.
He probably was gonna hook y'all up with the best diamond ring out.
So
Look, he got the okay. How you feeling, bro? Like, what do you, based off what you see, like, do you think your match
All
ready
them
was
are
here?
beautiful.
Yeah.
But I know I'm short. It is what it is.
Yeah.
You feel me? But my time's gonna come. My girl's gonna come. But
Yeah.
all y'all look beautiful.
Yeah.
Hey, I hope y'all get the chocolate man, whatever, the tall man, whatever y'all want. You feel me?
dude, he just seemed like a nice guy, man. Nice, cool guy. I think they missed out. You got something she got to say? Hold on. Something she got to say. It's just everything about her demeanor and everything, man. She does not seem like a pleasure to be around at all. She just seemed like she just aggravated. Just gonna whine and fuss about every little thing. Yeah. Why I got this damn I don't even know what type of top this is. This lingerie top. You talking about everybody else's outfit, man. I'm actually just not really paying attention to this. She got a lingerie top on and ain't even filling this mother out. Boy, this is crazy, boy. This is crazy. Stay off the knees.
All y'all look beautiful. Hey, I hope y'all get the chocolate man, whatever, the tall man, whatever y'all want. You feel me? I'm good. I appreciate it.
Okay, appreciate you, bro. I gotta tap in with your water, bro.
I got you.
No cap. You have a good one. I couldn't do this, yo. So what were you saying? We need to find. You were saying something about the guys. What were you saying? We need to find better guys.
Oh yeah, y'all need to find better guys.
Better
I will
guys.
help you out with that.
You'll help it.
For what? Why? Better guys are not checking for women like this, like you. It's a reason why you own this doggone dating show. Is that? Wait a minute. Hold the hell up.
He said bigger guys.
Man, either way, ain't nobody checking for that. Is that pink? Is that pink and white there? That's, man, ugh. Oh man, this is crazy.
Just find better guys.
I really
Okay. Well, I really like, I'm not looking to find better guys.
Oh yeah, y'all need to find better guys.
Better
I will
guys.
help you out with that.
You'll help us.
Yeah, I think she said better. It was just how she said it. Better.
This, So what were you saying? We need to find. You were saying something about the guys. What were you saying? We need to find better guys.
Oh yeah, y'all need to find better guys.
Better
I will
guys.
help you out with that.
You'll help us find better guys.
I really
Okay. Well, I really like, I'm not looking to find my match, so I don't judge people based off attraction, So like, I just, if you want to come participate, you come. What were you saying?
See, she's just aggravated.
said I might have to go get my other man back.
Who?
Mr. Puerto Rico.
The Puerto Rican. Oh, okay. I heard a lot. I was just recapping. It was a lot of.
No.
The last one was nice.
I like the first one. First one so far.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up. Tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna. Whoa.